What goes wrong in data and ML solutions, and how can organizations mitigate risks?
Well, the biggest thing that goes wrong is that there's not business sponsorship for such an initiative, that this is sort of a technology proof of concept that people become excited about in a particular group and organization, but there's no business backing to it. So therefore, that proof of concept might not answer questions that are valuable enough to the business side to invest in this kind of solution. So that's the number one thing that goes wrong. And to add on to that, I think some organizations treat machine learning like it's like a technical proof of concept, like let's show that machine learning works. And I think that's another area where this goes wrong, that the math in machine learning is decades old, the technologies are proven, that the cutting edge you hear about with like robots and brains and all that is years beyond what would provide a tremendous amount of business value to you. And I think that it's not about a POC for the technology, it's about how can we come up with the right questions that have very viable answers. I think so that's really important. There are a lot of other things that go wrong in terms of your data is not really ready for it. The quality isn't good enough of the data, therefore you can't trust the outputs, or the data has bias in it that you're not aware of. There's a lot of small things that can go wrong, but the big things is related that you don't have business sponsorship lined up, you don't know the strategic importance of these questions, and a company like ours would help you make sure you have that nailed down before you begin work.
Great, thank you.